difference, we're going to draw a pickaxe.
Yeah, from Minecraft. And we hope you're going to follow along with us. For this lesson, we're also using our mining grid. And parents and adults, you can download this at artforkidshub.com. We'll leave a link below this video. You ready to start?
Yes.
Or you can color right on this piece of paper once you print it out. Or you could do another little trick that we're going to do and use our marker paper on top of it. So let me tear out a piece for you. There you go. And a piece for me. There you go.
Oh, you can still see it.
Yeah, and that's the cool thing. We're using Canson brand marker paper. This is my favorite. It works really well with alcohol-based markers, which our brand is alcohol-based. These are different than water-based, like Crayola markers. And before we start, let's turn over our paper, and we're gonna tape down the grid so that it doesn't move when we're drawing. So we'll center it on your paper and then put a little piece of tape down. And this is the same sheet of paper that we used in our last lesson for a Minecraft sword. The other cool thing is you can use this for several drawings if you put a piece of paper on top. We're first using our black marker, and we'll use this to outline the main shape of our pickaxe. So we'll start down here, and we're gonna draw 2 squares here in the corner and 2 squares in. So I went down and over. Then we'll draw 8 steps up and to the right. So we'll go up 1 pixel and then over a pixel. There's 1 step. And we're going to do that 7 more times for a total of 8. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Am I going too fast?
Yes.
6,
Wait.
7. You got to hit pause. Our friends can pause the video, but you can't.
No.
How many do you have? So there's 1. You can count these corners.
Wait, did you count this as 1?
No, just count this corner right here, the
Okay.
point.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
Yeah. 6. I'm on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you have 7?
There we go.
And then the last one, create the last part of the step too. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then we're going to do 8 steps up here. So these steps are going in first and then up. So there's 1 step. And then we'll do 2 steps, 3, and we should end in the same, kind of the same place as the first set of stairs. Yes, just like that. There's the handle for our pickaxe. Then we'll draw 4 pixels down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's do the other side at the same time so we can repeat the same step. So we're going to do 4 steps or 4 pixels going to the left. 4. Then let's draw 1 pixel up here at the end and also 1 pixel to the right. Then we're going to draw another pixel to the left, up, and then back to the right. So we've got this 1 little pixel sticking out. And then we're going to do the same thing, but going down over here. Then we'll add 1 pixel up. And then across, we're going to go 5 pixels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do the same thing over here. 1 pixel to the right, and then 5 pixels up. Then 1 pixel down, and to the left, over here. Then we'll draw 3 pixels to the right, and 3 pixels down, and connect. We did it! We drew the main shape of our pickaxe. Now it's time to color. The first 2 colors we have picked out are 103 brown. If you're using the same Art for Kids Hub set, you can use the same numbers. And we also have our diamond color.
Number 63.
Yeah, and you could change your pickaxe so it's not diamond. It could be iron or even better.
Netherite?
Netherite would be the
Yes.
best. Ooh, enchanted netherite. Let's start with our 103 brown. And we're going to color it in solid, and then we're going to add the texture later. Let's start right here. We're going to draw 2 stairs. So 1, we'll start at the top right here, top of the handle, and we'll draw a stair down, over and down, and then over and down again. right here, we're going to draw a box with 4 pixels in it. Now we'll color the handle and also these 4 pixels solid brown. This part will speed up, so remember to pause the video for extra time. Oh, and also let's color the pickaxe with our turquoise diamond color. I think I'm going to change the diamond color to 312 instead of 63. It's a little closer because it's more green. Yeah, I like this color more than the other one we had picked out, because it's slightly greener. It's more turquoise.
Yeah.
To keep the lesson simple, you can leave your drawing just like this, except I think it needs the texture to make it look more like Minecraft. This is a little trickier because we're using our alcohol-based markers. We can layer the colors. So we have CG7. This is a dark gray that we're going to layer on top of the colors that we've already added. So first, let's start up here in the top left, and we're going to color in this pixel. So it's darker, but it still has the turquoise tint to it. Then let's draw a line all the way across, and if you can see the grid underneath, you could use that as a guide. And then right here on the handle, let's draw a line up for 1 pixel and then across to the other side. Then we're going to color in this rectangle and also the top one. Next, let's draw a line down here for 1 pixel. Then we'll go across to here. And then we'll draw a line down 2 pixels and connect. So over 2, down 2, and then connect. Then we'll color in this L shape. Now let's draw a line straight down from here to connect to the bottom. Then we can color in this rectangle. And let's also color this bottom pixel in. Then we can draw a line straight up and then connect to the handle and color in this rectangle. Now let's add the texture to the handle. We'll first draw a line straight across the bottom of the handle. Then we're going to draw stairs all the way up the side of the handle. Then let's color the bottom too, and all of the pixels going up the side of the handle. Now we'll switch to CG5, and we're going to color in this first pixel here, but also all of the pixels going up the side of the handle. So we can do this same thing. It will actually connect with the dark pixel on the other side too. So we can draw stairs going all the way up, and then we'll color in these pixels. This is a slightly lighter gray, so it's not as dark as the pixels on this side. The last step, we'll use CG1. This is our lightest gray, and we can add a little shadow or darken the pixel here. So we'll skip this one, and then we'll darken that one in. Then we'll skip a pixel and darken this one in. Skip, darken in the next one, and the same thing all the way up the handle. You can barely see it, so if you want, you could also wait till it dries and then add another layer. Then on the pickaxe, we're going to skip 2 pixels, so 1, 2, and then we'll darken in 2 pixels on the diamond part. We'll do the same thing down here. We'll skip 2 pixels and then darken in 2 pixels. Okay, let's do one more thing. We'll use our white colored pencil, and we'll just add a light layer on top of this 1 pixel. And then we'll do the same thing down here. Just lightly press on your pencil so that it doesn't color it in solid white. Now we can flip over our paper, and let's take off the grid. And then we can flip it back over, and we did it.
Whoa.
We finished drawing our pickaxe, our diamond pickaxe. It looks awesome, Hadley. You did a good job.
Thanks.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
I hope our friends had fun too. Remember, it's okay that your drawings don't have to look like ours. The most important thing is,
To have fun.
yeah, and to
Practice.
practice.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a Minecraft pickaxe.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.